Wow, it's cold. Wow, very cold. Okay, can we say the word cold for another words? Freezing? Yes, that's very good. So I'm very glad to see you here, all of you guys today. So today we're gonna learn a new thing that we're gonna spread out, or we're gonna make a very strong sentence by using our adjective. So it is many kinds of adjectives that we have. Okay, that we have known it and we have learned it and then we have understood it of using all of them. But some of you may make a mistake, and some of you may say a very simple sentence, and then you want to make it strong and strong, more be strong, okay, more than strong, and then you don't know how to use the adjective in your sentence. So today you're gonna learn this lesson and then how to make your sentence very strong one when you want to stress for some situation you are right now, and then you want to stray it to your partner, and then you want to stray it to your listener to be pay attention or to be concentrate with you. You can use this lesson to guide you to improve your using English language with using adjective strong one. Okay, so like what I say today, I'm starting up with cool. I'm so very cool. So another word that we can say, freezing. So I have all this here, just only 4 adjectives, but actually we have a lot, right? We have a lot adjectives. So I just want to show you just only 4 for you to be as a guideline, to be as a lesson for you to learn, and then you can extend it more by yourself at home altogether. Okay, so the word are very cool, so you can replace it by freezing. Freezing, you mean that 100% that make your sentence stronger when you state your sentence. It's so phrasing. It's so phrasing. I am so phrasing. It means that you are almost to the eyes. It's just not like a cool one. It makes you feel like, oh, it's very cool. It is very simple one. But when you state your sentence, it is so freezing. It's freezing outside. It means that your eye or your body still become an ice. So it is very strong one. Okay, very happy. So you can say as a normal sentence when you want to stress your feeling. Your mother or your father give you a gift, and then is that, how do you feel? I'm very happy. So that just look like a simple one, but when you use it, okay, ecstatic. I'm ecstatic. It means that you show out of your feeling, your emotional to your parent from what a gift you have got. Okay, so very hard. Yes, someone asks you what the weather is today. So you may say, it's very hot. It's very hot. Just a simple one. Just a simple one. When the partner or when you make a communication with other and then you start saying that sentence, it's very hard. Just feel like a very simple. But when you start, it's sweltering. It's sweltering. It's sweltering today. It means that you are almost melted. Your body almost melted as a water. Okay, so the last one is very glad. So very glad, it means that you are broke up with your friends for a long time. It means that you didn't see them for a long time, and then you just meet it for one time, just in party event or in a special ceremony event or in a forum, and then you face to face with them and you say, wow, so great, very great to see you here. Okay, so that is also so of your emotional feeling as well. But one thing or one adjective that show a very strong one for you is the word delighted. Okay, delighted. I'm delighted to see you here. So it means that when you use that thing, when you use that adjective, mean that a very strong one to make your sentence very powerful one. Okay, So now don't waste your time. Let's see all the sentence here I have presented for you. That is a very good look for you because we have two sentences on the board. Okay, so the first one is very simple one. It's a simple one for you to like you say in a daily life or you say in a can make communication with other. But here we replace very cool by freezing. Very cool by freezing. Okay. So now let's see it. It's very cool. It's very cool. Not very, but very. Okay. It's very cool. It's very cool. And then the word very cool, it is replacing. It is replacing by the word freezing. It's freezing. It means that your body almost become the ice one. If you stand still outside, you still stand outside, your body 1 minute will become an ice one. Okay, so when you start saying, wow, it's freezing outside. Yes, so the word is freezing. Make your sentence stronger than use the word very cool. Okay, the next one is I'm very happy to see you. So it is a normal sentence that the person or the people always say that sentence out in order to make a communication with other, okay, with partner or with a friend. Okay, I'm very happy to see you. So when your partner listen to you that sentence, when you say out that sentence, it just feel like a very simple one. But when you start changing your sentence by using this, by replacing the word very happy to this one ecstatic, it means that your friend will know that that he look really like so happy to see me. You look really like so happy to see them. Okay, so I'm ecstatic to see you. So it means that a very strong one than the first sentence. Okay, so now let's move to the next one. It's very hot outside today. Many people, yeah, they say it's very hot outside today. It's just a simple sentence when you say that. When you use this adjective, yeah, very happy. Okay, very hot. Sorry, not very happy. Very hot. It's very hot outside. But when you start changing a very hot, just this adjective to sweltering, it means that make your sentence stronger than the first one. It's sweltering outside today. So almost the car, motorbike, bicycle, or everything almost become melt. Almost become melt or almost become water. Okay, it means that 45 degrees Celsius or 45 degrees Celsius, you think so? So it means that the word sweltering is absolutely so hot, absolutely hot outside. You're just standing up below of the tree, it is still hot. But okay, it's very hot outside. That is a very simple sentence when you use to communicate with other. But when you say it's sweltering, okay, it's sweltering outside today, it means that your sentence becomes stronger one. Okay, the last one. We're very glad to see you. We're very glad to see you. Okay, so the word very glad. We're very glad to see you. It means that your emotion, we can change the word, especially the adjective one, to impress, to stress out your feeling or your emotional out, to show your partner or your friend know it, feel it, understand it. What is your feeling right now when you meet him or you meet her? Okay, so you just say, we're very glad to see you. It is just a simple one like what I explained you at a moment. It's very simple one. Just any kinds of others people can say. I'm very glad to see you here. But when you start changing that word, okay, that adjective to be delighted, it means that 100%, or we can say 1,000 out or 100% out from your bottom of your heart, your partner or your friend will be understand your feeling, your emotion. Okay, we are delighted to see you here. Okay, to see you, or we are delighted to see you here today, or we are delighted to see you attend this meeting today. Okay, so it's very strong one by changing a simple adjective to be strong adjective. So when you start changing this sentence by replacing this adjective, a strong adjective, your sentence becomes stronger and stronger and stronger. And then the one who read your writing or your sentence, they feel like, wow, you are so romantic people who write this sentence. It means that your emotional show out 100%, show out 100%, not 100% just show out 50 or 70% on the sentence. Okay, so that is, you can, by looking this one, okay, replacing this. So I would like to sum up for you again. This is the way that we replace. It means that we can find the synonym of their adjective meaning, okay, cool. So what the adjective can meaning the same, we have the same meaning. What kinds of adjective can contain the meaning in the same way? Okay, cool, freezing, happy, okay, static. But it's just not here. Just I have raised up for some, but we still have many more verbs. Okay, not many more words, many more adjective that have the same meaning with the word cool. Okay, cool. So you can start changing by looking the same meaning because synonym of the adjective, and then replace to your sentence and then make your sentence stronger. So I hope this lesson as a lesson for you, as a lesson for you to learn, as a guideline for you to create your sentence by yourself, and then you can start creating your sentence today on. And this is end of my presentation. So I hope you enjoyed that video, and then I hope you can understand clearly of learning this lesson today. Okay, so see you next time, everybody. Good luck. Have a nice day with your friend. Bye bye.